My bathroom area was honestly so plain before, so I decided to upgrade it. Let's do the unboxing. Inside the box, everything is included for the installation process: mounting, hardware, accessories, and all the parts you need to get it set up. Next, I start the installation. I drew the wall and mounted it step by step. Everything feels very straightforward because all the hardware is included, so you don't need to figure out extra tools or complicated steps. I secured and aligned it properly and finished the full setup on my own. Once it's installed, it completely transforms the space. Now the fun part. I'm gonna get ready in front of my new vanity and I'm so happy. I turn on the LED light with a simple touch and instantly you can see how bright and clean the lighting looks. Then I switch between the three color temperatures, 3000K, 4000K, and 6500K to see which one matches my skin tone best for makeup. I also adjust the brightness by long pressing the button, so I can go from soft lighting to a more defined, bright setup depending on my routine. And here's something really useful. When the mirror steams up from the bathroom, it actually gets fogged and hard to see. But then I activate the anti-fog function. You can see the difference clearly. Before, the mirror is completely covered in steam, and after, it becomes clear again almost instantly. The anti-fog feature really makes a difference for everyday use. And honestly, I'm so excited about how it completely upgrades my space. From a plain wall to a full modern vanity setup that actually feels functional and aesthetic.